So we got a good friend Tony's bike here today. Bringing it in, we're gonna get some base numbers on it with the stage 1 that it has now, and then we're gonna put a stage 3 in this one to bump a little bit. So we're just doing some base runs on Tony's stage 1 that he's sitting on right now. Coming in between 72 and 75 horsepower and 102 to 105 torque. So we will install stage 3 and see what he gets for a boost. So we just finished up Tony's stage 3 upgrade, the 107 to a 114. I'm going to give him a little more power, whether he's riding 2 up or trying to pass somebody or on the interstate, wherever he needs it. So we started out 72 horsepower and 102 torque. Bumped him up to 108 horsepower, that's a difference of 36. And bumped him up to 119, just under 120. So 16, 17. Bump and torque. So it's definitely something he's going to feel and really enjoy going over the road.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? Tony, can you come on down here? Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the latest member of the Wilkins Harley-Davidson